Okay, so hopefully you did okay in that assignment. As you can see, I've now added a new battery pickup. So if I just click on it, obviously this is just this battery. As we get closer, I had to kind of resize this a little bit because it was a bit big. So 0.6 on X, Y, and Z. Given it its box collider, I just made that a little bit bigger. This is for the raycast. The tag is pickup and the layer is pickup items. And then obviously attach an extra cube, that's the battery cube, untagged and layer as default, and just ensure that this one is set to a trigger and it's big enough for the character to walk into. Okay, so under the battery cube then, we now need to assign the script, the pickup item script. So let's just add component, and it's pickup item, I think. Yep, not pickup script. There we go. Okay, let's hover over this. So number 2 equals battery. So let's put 2 in there. So the pickup item itself is the battery pickup, and the pickup message is the pickup panel. All right, good. So that's sorted. Now if you go into the script, you will see under the pickup item script that you should have a pickup type equal to a value of 2, save script.batteries plus equals 1. Okay, and then destroy the pickup. Now that's great as long as you've done that. Some of you may have actually gone a little bit further and anticipated what happens if you already have 4 batteries and there's a battery on the floor and you're going to pick it up. Well, obviously we don't want the player to be able to pick a battery up at that point. So what we're going to say is if save script dot batteries is equal to an amount of 4. Oh, sorry, not equal to, rather is less than 4. And then that's going to allow you to actually pick up the battery. Let me just get rid of that space. So I'm just going to press delete. And obviously tie all of this in to that condition. So in other words, as long as batteries are less than 4, you can then pick that battery up and destroy it. Okay. If the batteries do equal 4, then obviously you can't do that. So that you'll never go above 4. Alright, so that's great. So that's working. Now obviously we have a battery manager script that we still need to assign. So let's go to Canvas, and we're going to assign it here. So let's go to our assets and my scripts, battery manager, and I just want to drag that onto the canvas. Okay, there we go. So now we just need to drag those images into there, which are on the inventory menu panel. There we go. So battery image 1, battery image 2. Just make sure that you've got the right ones in the right slots. Battery image 3 and battery image 4. Luckily, you only have to do this once. Battery button 1. Battery button 2, battery button 3, and battery button 4. Okay, there we go. So now it's all attached. We can now sort of work on getting these battery buttons to work on the inventory menu. So let's just click 2D and let me find the canvas. Double click on the canvas. Alright, want to get a little bit closer. Now we need to work on clicking on these batteries in order to get those to refill this amount. Okay, so we need, I'm thinking where to put it actually. I think I will put it on the inventory script. So I'm going to have it as one of these public voids, such as like choose knife, choose gun, etc. And we're going to call it public void refill. Now this obviously will be a function that we call directly from the buttons on the menu. So we're going to say battery UI Now then, we can't, can we? We can't put it on here. Sorry. Let me delete that. The only reason why, because obviously we need access to the battery.ui. So it does actually have to be on the battery power, because this is using the UI and as the association with the battery UI. Okay, that's fine. So let's do it just above the update here, and let's say public void refill. So it's going to be battery UI dot fill amount equals 1F. So in other words, it becomes totally full. And so when we've reset the battery to full, we have to tell the save script that we've used the battery. So save script dot batteries minus equals 1. Just make sure that you save that, and then we can go back here. And now we need to click on our battery button 1. Okay, and as you can see, we've already got the sound attached to it. We've just not got anything in this second runtime only. Oh, okay, I just got rid of the sound. Whoops. Let's just find the sound. So remember, that's the UI sound. Just put it on there. It's the audio source and play. Okay, and let's add another one. And this one is now going to be the script that we just changed. I've got to find where we put that actually. Did we put it on the canvas? Yeah, battery power. So it's basically the canvas. That's what we need. So we're going to drag the canvas onto there. We're going to find battery power, and we're going to click refill. So whenever we click on the particular battery, it's going to basically refill that power. All right, so let's do that on the other ones. So battery button 2, it's going to be canvas, battery power and refill. On battery button 3, canvas and refill. And battery button 4, canvas and refill again. Great. Okay, so that all should be working now. So in the next video, I'm going to do a walkthrough, just make sure that everything works, that the health works, the battery power works, and just making sure that this is almost complete for the UI element.